Hey guys, it's Wes Otto here with OMG Auto Media Group, just coming at you with another live update for what's going on with Auto Media Group and the greater Mankato business community. First off, we wanted to give you a few resources and tips that might help your businesses given the current circumstances. Last week we highlighted a number of different people or places that you could reach out to. This week we have some tactics that you can take advantage of. The first tactic is understanding the current state of marketing and where advertising costs are. Because of large organizations cutting their budget, there's a lot of opportunity within traditional television advertising as well as digital marketing on Facebook and Instagram because ad costs are super low. With those larger companies cutting their budgets, that's one of the first things that go is their marketing budgets. And so therefore there's less money being spent and more opportunity from a cost savings for us as small to medium-sized businesses. Furthermore, there's more viewership on both television and on digital media than there ever has been before, just because of our new circumstances of being stuck at home. So if you're a business that's uniquely positioned to be able to take care of their marketing budget during the current circumstances, you probably should look at how can you use those mediums to your advantage given their new cost savings. And if you can use a direct sales method using those particular platforms, then I would encourage you to do that as well. The other two tactics that we're going to give you are services that Auto Media Group is now offering that we think are beneficial to you. The first service is 360 photography and videography that can be presented in the format of a virtual tour. So we've run into a number of businesses that are normally experience-based businesses, and they have their customers come into their stores on a regular basis, and they want to actually experience whatever is happening there. If it's a service, if it's a product, whatever it might be, that's part of their sales process. And now, given the new COVID-19 circumstances, that's not possible, at least not in the way that it used to be. And so one of the things that we've realized as an agency is because of our existing customer base and new inquiries, that's a service area that we wanted to offer. So we've partnered with Jordan Powers Photography, and we're now offering that as one of our highlighted services given the new circumstances. So if you have a business that can use virtual tour type technology, please feel free to reach out and we're happy to help on that front. The next piece is going to be related to live events. Another industry that's been hit hard is that event industry. There's so many different concerts, seminars, conferences, all of those things are being heavily hit by the new COVID-19 realities. And one of the things that we've realized through conversations with local nonprofits is the show must go on, right? We wanted to be able to find a way that still protects a little bit of that experience again. And we thought, it makes sense whenever possible to do a pre-recorded event and do it in a more professionally edited way. So a lot of organizations are just trying to pivot to either postponing events or hosting live Zoom sessions where it's just kind of webinar feeling. We think that that strips those events of a lot of their experience pieces, which helps with donations, helps with volunteers, helps with the overall mission of so many different events. And so why not try and capture that essence in a pre-recorded video that gets broadcasted live, and then staff and individuals within the organizations hosting that event can interact in real time with their audience. That's one of the new services that we're offering. They're pre-recorded events, and we'll help facilitate that in an online fashion using Zoom technology as well as Facebook Live. So if you have any kind of need for that particular service, again, feel free to reach out because that's why we're here, and that's one of the reasons why we're offering this service, is so that as much as possible we can still help the Mankato community continue on as business as normal. So with that, that wraps up today's tips and tactics that you can use to help further your organization or business. Always feel free to reach out, but until next time, stay healthy, and we'll talk to you again soon.